Welcome back, students. A small correction in the problem number 1. Please have a look. In this problem, the share capital old share price is 100. Yes, equity share. That we have reduced to 50. So we have to cancel the old equity share capital account. We have to create a new equity share capital. What is the new equity share price? 50. Okay, students, here old share capital is 6 lakhs, we have cancelled. Here new share capital is 3 lakhs and sacrifice made by the shareholders 3 lakhs, 50%. Now in the same way in the preference share capital also, what is the old preference share value? 100. So here also, what is the new preference share value? 50. So here it is 4 lakhs. Lakhs is the new preference share capital and amount sacrificed by the preference shareholders 2 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Except this, everything is okay. Okay, students. Now we will discuss problem number 2. Problem number 2. Oh, look at here. Look at students, problem number 2. Nilagiri Company Limited had the following balance sheet on 31st March 2010. Yes. First look at the liabilities. Equity shares of 100 each, 5 lakhs. Do remember this, students, we have equity shares of rupees 100 each, 5 lakhs. Assets, land and building 1 lakh, plant and machinery 2 lakhs. We'll continue second problem in the next page. Page number C6. Now liability side. Liability side, do remember here we have equity shares of rupees 100 each, 5 lakhs and 6% debentures 2 lakhs, profit prior to incorporation 10,000, sundry creditors 1 lakh 50,000. So assets we have there, building and machinery, here goodwill 90,000, patents 30,000, cash 5,000, sundry debtors, stock, profit and loss account, preliminary expenses. Is it clear? Total balance sheet is 8,60,000. Now see the scheme of reconstruction. The following scheme of reconstruction was adopted. What is the scheme? Each share was to be reduced to, underline the word reduced to, a share of rupees 20. That means 100 rupees is the face value of the share. Value of the share is how much? 100. It is reducing to how much? 20. It is not reduced by. It is reduced to. That means this 20 rupees is what? New face value of the share. So what is the sacrifice made by shareholders? 80 rupees, obviously. Why? Because 100 rupees is the face value, 20 rupees we are reducing the share to 20. difference amount, take it as sacrifice made by the shareholders. Is it clear, students? Next, all fictitious assets, underline the word, all fictitious assets including goodwill and patents were to be eliminated. Eliminated means write off. Here they are mentioning fictitious assets. So in the balance sheet on assets side, you have to find out which asset will come under fictitious asset category. That we can find out later. Next, plant and machinery was to be brought to 1,60,000. Earlier, what is the plant and machinery value? 1,80,000. Earlier what is the plant and machinery value? 2 lakhs. Plant and machinery value is how much? 2 lakhs. Now we are reducing it to plant and machinery was to be brought to, reduced to, not reduced by, brought to 1,60,000. That means plant and machinery value is, the book value of plant and machinery is 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs worth of plant and machinery, we are reducing it to 1,60,000. That means what is the difference amount? 50,000. Is it increase in the value of asset or decrease in the value of asset? Decrease in the value of asset. So it is debited to capital reduction account. Is it clear, students? Next, give journal entries for the above and prepare balance sheet after implementation of the scheme. 2 requirements. 1, preparation of journal entries. 2, preparation of balance sheet after reconstruction. Is it clear, students? Now we will try to solve the answer. See, in the examination, the problem a student will get is he cannot understand the problem thoroughly. So many people, without understanding the problem, they will try to solve it. See, without thoroughly understanding the problem, don't try to solve the answer. Is it clear, students? Try to understand the problem. If you understand the problem completely, then you can solve the problem with very speed. You can complete the problem within stipulated time. Is it clear? Okay. Now, page number C5, problem number 2. So first requirement is what? Journal entries. Journal entries in the books of, what is the company name? Nilagiri Company Limited. Look at here, Nilagiri Company Limited. So Nilagiri Company Limited. Right. Journal entries in the books of Nilagiri Company Limited. Now draw the pro forma, students. For the first entry, we are reducing the share price. So first cancel the existing share capital, then create the new share capital. So what is the date here? 2010, 1st April. Look at equity share capital account. So what is the old face value? 100. So what is the total amount? 5 lakhs. To equity share capital account, what is the new face value? 20. So what is the capital? 1 lakh. How we got this 1 lakh? See, we have 5 lakhs capital. We have 5 lakhs capital into, what is the face? Divided by, what is the face value of share? 100. So how many shares will get? 500 shares. Is it or not, students? Share capital is 5 lakhs each share value is 100. So how many shares you will get? 5000 shares. Now how many number of shares are not reducing? Number of shares are not reducing. Do remember, number of shares we will not reduce. We reduce only the face value of the share. So 5000 shares into, now what is the new face value of share? 20. So how much you will get? 1 lakh. Is it clear? This is important. This calculation is important. Yes. So I repeat, we have 5 lakhs capital. What is the face value of share? 100. So how many shares you will get? 5000 shares. Simple calculation. 5 lakhs divided by 100. Now the same number of shares, 5000 shares, into multiply with the new face value of the share, 20. So how much you will get? 1 lakh. So remaining 4 lakhs is what? Sacrifice made by the shareholders. Now how we will utilize this amount? Look at in the problem. In the problem they said all fictitious assets including goodwill and patents were to be eliminated. If you observe students, please pick fictitious assets. Goodwill, intangible; patents, intangible; cash, current asset; sundry debtors, current asset; stock, current asset; profit and loss account, fictitious asset. Market. Next, preliminary expenses, it is also fictitious asset. Next, so in the problem, what are the fictitious assets? Profit and loss account and preliminary expenses. Goodwill is intangible, they are saying, even though we have to write off it. Patents, they have specifically mentioned, so write off it. Next, plant and machinery also we have to reduce. So what is the entry for this? First, debit capital reduction account. Don't write the amount now. Now credit one by one item. First, plant and machinery. How much? 40,000. How we got this 40,000? 2 lakhs is the original amount minus 1.6 is the new value of the asset. Difference amount is 40 lakhs. Next, goodwill. What is the goodwill? We have 90,000. Patents, we have 30,000. So write off. Preliminary expenses, we have 20,000. Profit and loss account, we have 2,20,000. Students, after completion of writing these accounts, please check whether the debit is equal to credit or not, because we are following double entry system. So in the double entry system, all the debits should equal to all the credits. Here debit we have 4 lakhs, because that much of balance we have in capital reduction account, 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs debit. Now credit how much? 40, 90, 130, 160, 180, 380, 4 lakhs. So credit also 4 lakhs. So credit is equal to debit. I already said in the previous video, in the capital reduction account, either there is equal amount, or there is no balance, or there is credit balance exist. So here there is no balance. If there is any balance in capital reduction account, then that balance we have to transfer to capital reserve account. Is it clear, student? These simple two journal entries, that's it. I already told you these journal entries. If you want, you can take the snapshot or you can write. We have answer for this problem in your notebook. Now try to prepare the balance sheet. See students, what is the heading for balance sheet? Balance sheet of Nilagiri Company Limited. So don't forget to write unreduced words in the brackets after the company name, as on 1st April 2010. Now what is the balance sheet heading here? First, see, try to solve first on the liability side. So this is the liability side. Liability side, look one by one item. If you have any item in the old balance sheet, then fill these columns, otherwise leave it blank simply. Now first one, equity and liabilities. Under the equity and liabilities, shareholders funds. Under shareholders funds, share capital. So for share capital we have to prepare note number 1. What is the note number 1? Share capital 1 lakh. Here if you observe in the entry, what is the new share capital? 1 lakh. We have only one type of share capital, that is equity share capital. We don't have any preference share capital, so you can write directly 1 lakh. Next, look at in the balance sheet, liability side. First, liability side, already share capital is over. Now 6% debentures comes under long term borrowings. Do remember students, 6% debentures comes under long term borrowings. Next, profit prior to incorporation is a capital reserve. This balance we have to show under reserves and surplus. Look at reserves and surplus, 10,000. Next, so 6% debentures comes under what? Long term borrowings, 2 lakhs. Next, sundry creditors. Sundry creditors comes under what? Trade payables. How much? 1,50,000. So preparation of balance sheet is easy, students. From the old balance sheet, we are preparing new balance sheet. What is the difficulty in that? So whatever the amount reduced or whatever the amount increased, that change we have to incorporate in the new balance sheet. Is it clear? Now 6% debentures is what? Long term borrowing. Sundry creditors is what? Trade payables, 1,50,000. So what is your total liability side? 4,60,000. Yes, 1 lakh, 1,10,000, 3,10,000, 4,10,000 plus 50, 4,60,000. Simple. Next, after completion of the liability side, now come to asset side. Come to asset side. Now this is asset side. This part. Is it clear? So first put the heading assets. Under assets, what is the first one? Non-current assets. Under non-current assets, again the classification is what? Property, plant and equipment. Again under the property, plant and equipment, we have tangible and intangible. So tangible assets. What are the tangible assets? If you observe in the problem, here if you observe, what are your tangible assets? Land and building, 1 lakh. There is no change in the value of land and building. Next, plant and machinery. How much plant and machinery? Actually 2 lakhs, but we have written off 40,000. So what is the new value of plant and machinery? 1,60,000. So tangible assets, land and building 1 lakh, plant and machinery 1,60,000. So put together is how much? 2,60,000. So here tangible assets 2,60,000. We have intangible assets. What are the intangible assets we have? What are the intangible assets we have? Goodwill and patents. But these two are written off. So don't incorporate these two things in the new balance sheet. Simply ignore. Next, cash. Cash is what? In the balance sheet, cash. Where is the cash? Cash and cash equivalents, 5,000. Simply, if you write the balance sheet items first, then you can simply fill the amount columns. Cash and cash equivalents, 5,000. Next is what? Sundry debtors. Sundry debtors means what? Trade receivable. How much? 1 lakh. Next, stock. Stock how much? 95,000. Stock is nothing but what? Inventories. Simple. Next, profit and loss account, written off. Preliminary expenses, written off. So students, that's it. That is our balance sheet. How much? 2,60,000, 3,60,000, 4,60,000. 95 plus 5, 1 lakh. 1 lakh plus 1 lakh, 2 lakhs. 2 plus 2.6, 4.6 lakhs. Simple problem, students. This problem I already discussed in the class, so you can just simply refer the notes. See, this is our answer. First we have to write that journal entries, proformas and headings are very important, students. Journal entries at the same time balance sheet. First liabilities side, this is liabilities side. Proforma is very important, students. In the examination, if you don't remember all these things, then you can simply write whatever the items you have. You can write only that items. You need not to write all these items. If you remember, you can write. Otherwise, you need not to write. Next, assets aside. Assets aside. This is assets side. Is it clear, students? Yes. Now we'll discuss the next problem, third problem. Now look at third problem is very easy one, very simple one. For this, journal entries are needed, students. Now look at Rajendra Company Limited passed necessary resolution and received sanction of the court for reconstruction as shown. Students, as we know, for internal reconstruction we need court approval and we need a scheme of reconstruction. That scheme of reconstruction should be approved by the court or NCLT. Now Rajendra Company Limited passed necessary resolution and received sanction of the court for reconstruction as shown. We will see the scheme. First, try to understand the scheme word by word. 25,000 preference shares of rupees 20 each. So how many preference shares we have? 25,000 preference shares we have. What is the face value of share? 20 each. Fully paid. That means what? 20 rupees is the face value of share. At the same time, the preference shareholders paid amount full. To be reduced to, underline the word reduced to, not reduced by. Reduced to the same number of shares. Same number of shares means same 25,000 shares of rupees 15 each. So what is the new face value of share? 15. So what is the sacrifice made by the shareholders? 5 rupees. 20 is the earlier amount. 5 rupees is the 15 rupees is the new amount. So difference amount is sacrifice made by the preference shareholders. Good. Next. Second one. 25,000 equity shares of rupees 15 each. So 25,000 is the number of equity shares of 15 each. That means each share value is, equity share value is how much? 15. Face value 15. Fully paid, and that amount is paid by the equity shareholders. Be reduced to, underline the word again, reduced to the same number of shares. Same number of shares means 25,000 shares only, of 5 rupees each. Oh, what is the new share price? 5. Earlier price is 15. New share price is 5. So what is the sacrifice made by the equity shareholders? 10. Is it clear? Next. Here, preference shareholders made sacrifice, equity shareholders also made sacrifice. Now, how we will utilize this amount? Writing off 1,50,000 debit balance in the profit and loss account. So, what is the balance in profit and loss account? Debit balance, that means loss. 1,50,000. Okay. Next, to reduce plant and machinery by 80. Underline the word machinery by 80, not machinery to 80. Machinery by 80. So 80,000 is the reduction. Direct, straight away. And goodwill by 20,000. Underline the word by. Next, to reduce investments value by 60,000. Students, here the information is provided. Here they are providing only the scheme of reconstruction. There is no balance sheet. If there is no balance sheet in the problem, then you need not to prepare the balance sheet in the answer. Simple logic. Yes or no? Right. Write journal entries necessary to record the above and also show capital reduction account, underline, show capital reduction account in the books of Rajendra Company Limited. Only two requirements. One, journal entries. Hardly we have 3 or 4 journal entries. After that, capital reduction account. If you record the journal entries, automatically you can prepare the capital reduction account, students. Easy one. Shall we go? Yes. Now look at. Yeah. Okay, students. So here date is not provided, not given. So date column empty. Even though we don't have any date, you have to write the date. You have to draw the date column. Students, doing problem on the paper is different. Doing problem in digital form is different. Drawing is okay. So here already I have completed the problem. Why? Because to save the time, and that too we have answers for these problems. If any problem I have not discussed, here I will cover. And if you have any doubts or if you need any answer for any problem, please let me know. I will do it. Is it clear, students? Please make sure to practice the examining for the examinations. Is it clear? Don't neglect your studies, please. Right. Page number C6, problem number 3. Simple problem again. So journal entries in the books of Rajendra Company Limited. Rajendra Company Limited. Okay, Rajendra Company Limited, date, particulars, ledger folio, debit rupees, credit rupees. Now, first entry, we'll write first entry for reduction in the value of equity share. Same entry, students. Entries will not change, only the amounts are changing. Entry is same, only the amounts will differ. That's it, simple. Now, equity share capital account to debit. What is the new old face value of share? 15. Equity share, students. Equity share. First we have to write for equity share. 15 rupees is the old face value. How much? 3,75,000. How we got this 3,75,000? Simple. How many number of equity shares we have? 25,000. What is the face value of share? 15. 25,000 into 15. How much? 3,75,000. Is it clear? Okay, I'll do one thing here. $25,000 shares into 15 rupees. Okay. Equity share capital 15. How we got this 3,75,000? 25,000 into 15, 3,75,000. Simple. Next, two equity share capital account. What is the new face value of share? 5. How we got this 1,25,000? I did not explain. Tell me how. 25,000. Same number of equity shares. 25,000 into new face value. 1,25,000. Next step, two capital reduction account. How much sacrifice made? 10 rupees. 15 old face value, 5 new face value. So 25,000 number of shares into 10 rupees per share sacrifice. How much? 2,50,000. Is it clear, students? Now, second entry. Now, preference share capital. So preference share capital account debit. So what is the face value of preference share? Old face value 20. So here 25,000 number of preference shares into 20. How much? 5 lakhs. Five lakhs. 2. Preference share capital account. 2 preference share capital account. New face value how much, students? 15. Yes, 15. Same number of shares, number of preference shares, 25,000 into 15, 3,75,000. Yes. Next, 2 capital reduction, 1,25,000. Here capital reduction, how we arrived at? 25,000 into 5, 1,25,000. How? 20 is the old face value, 15 is the new face value. What is the sacrifice made? 5. So 1,25,000. Now tell me, what is the total amount you have with in your capital reduction account? See here, capital reduction account credit 2,50,000. Here also credit 1,25,000. So total we have 3,75,000 in the capital reduction account. See the posting here, capital reduction account is credited by how much? 2,50,000. So in the capital reduction account, on credit side, by equity share capital account 2,50,000. Next, in the second entry also capital reduction account is credited. So in the capital reduction account credit side, by preference share capital, how much? 1,25,000. Is it clear, students? So simultaneous posting. Now final entry, write off entry. First, debit capital reduction account. Don't write the amount. Plant and machinery, how much we have to write off? Plant and machinery 80,000. Yes. Plant and machinery how much, students? 80,000. Here plant and machinery 80,000. Next, goodwill, how much goodwill? 20,000. Next, investments how much, students? 60,000. These are all written off. That's why we are writing capital reduction account debit, and we are writing all the items one by one. Okay, right. Next, profit and loss account, how much, students? Profit and loss account 1,50,000. Right. If you observe, 3,75,000 debit. Okay, now take only these things, put together 3,10,000. 3,10,000 credit. For meantime, ignore this, right? Okay, so this is the actual entry we have recorded. Now see the debit and credit. Debit is how much? 3,75,000, because that is the balance we have, right? 2,50,000 plus 1,25,000, 3,75,000. Yes, here also you can see 3,75,000 rupees balance we have. Now debit it, 3,75,000. So if you add all these credits, how much you are getting? 3,10,000. 80 plus 20, 1 lakh, 1,60,000, 3,10,000. Do you have excess balance or not? Yes, we have more, 65,000. So write down 65,000 here. Balances are not equal. We have credit balance. Credit is more. See here, 3,75,000 credit, 3,10,000 debit. So we have more 65,000 credit. I said, if any credit balance, any balance in the capital reduction account, that amount we will transfer to which account, students? Capital reserve account. Capital reserve account. How much? 65,000. This is the third entry. 3 simple entries. Now from this entry, we will post into the capital reduction account. Here capital reduction account is debited. So on the debit side, write down all the credits, all these things. Here, total 3,75,000 equal. Suppose if you don't have any balance in capital reduction account, then automatically the account is closed. But here there is some balance in capital reduction account. So we have to transfer it to capital reserve account. Is it clear, students? This is our third problem. I think so. For this problem also we have answer in your notebooks. So this is the answer. Is it? If you want, you can take the snapshot. Right? Shall we move on? Yes. So we'll see the next problem. Okay. We get the fourth one. Fourth one also similar to the same one. Students, you people do some problems as homework. Fifth problem I will give you as homework. Fifth problem. You solve the problem and post it into the group. Is it clear? 2B, 2 tax, 2 CA or 2A people, whoever it may be, all second year become students. Solve problem number 5, page number C7, problem number 5, internal reconstruction problem. Do it as homework and post into the group. I will check it. Those who are interested, if you solve the problem, you will get the knowledge. Is it okay? So please try to solve the problem and post. See, this problem is little bit interesting. Look at why it is interesting. You can understand now. Right. Fourth problem. On the reconstruction of a company, the following terms were agreed upon. What are the following terms? Look at the shareholders. We don't know whether these are equity or preference. If nothing is given, then assume it is equity share capital. The shareholders to receive in lieu of their present holding. In lieu of means instead of. They have their present holding, underline this, 50,000 shares of 10 each. They have present holding. This is their present position. They have 50,000 number of shares. 10 rupees is the each share value. So what is the share capital? 5 lakhs. 50,000 into 10, 5 lakhs. So this is the present share capital. In lieu of their present holding, that means instead of this 5 lakhs share capital, what they are receiving, we'll see the following. 1. Fully paid equity shares equal to 2/5 of their holding. Underline 2/5 of their holding. What is their present holding? 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs into 2/5. 2 by 5 means how much, students? How much? 2 lakhs. 5 lakhs into 2 by 5, students. 2 lakhs. So instead of their 5 lakhs holding, they will receive 2 lakhs worth of equity shares. Laptop charging, I am charging it. Okay, right, where we are. Yes, fully paid equity shares equal to 2/5 of their holding. That means 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs worth of shares they will get. Is it clear, students? Next. Here they are receiving 3 things, A, B, C. Please try to understand the sentence formation. Right? So these points are all one. Instead of their present holding, they are receiving these 3. One, they are receiving equity share capital. How much? 2/5 of their holding. 2 lakhs. Next. What is the other thing they are receiving? 5% preference shares, fully paid, to the extent of 1/5 of the above new equity shares. So students, try to understand this. They are receiving 5% preference shares. But how much? Fully paid. To the extent of 1/5 of the above new equity shares. Underline the word 1/5 of the above new equity shares. We have calculated new equity shares are how much? 2 lakhs. 5 lakhs into 2 by 5, 2 lakhs. So out of 2 lakhs, they are getting 1/5 preference shares. So 2 lakhs into 1 by 5. How much? 40,000. Yes. Okay. 60,000, 6% second debentures. So apart from equity shares and preference shares, the equity shareholders are receiving 6% second debentures for how much? 60. Is it clear? So in A, 2 lakhs, B, 40,000, C, 60,000. So total how much amount they are receiving? 2 plus 40 plus 60, 3 lakhs. But what is their present holding? 5 lakhs. Out of 5 lakhs, they are getting benefits of worth of 3 lakhs. What about the remaining 2 lakhs difference? That is nothing but sacrifice made by the shareholders. Please try to understand how they are framing the scheme of reconstruction, because company to company this scheme of reconstruction will differ, right? Okay. Next, now from this is other part. Next, what happened? An issue of 50,000 worth of 5% first debentures was made and allotted payment for the same having been received in cash. This is a new transaction. We have issued 5% first debentures to the public. So we have received 50,000 rupees amount in cash. Do remember, we have to record a separate entry for this transaction. Next, the goodwill intangible asset, which stood at 3 lakhs. So what is the goodwill value? Book value 3 lakhs. Underline 3 lakhs and write down book value. Was written down to 1,50,000. So 3 lakhs worth of goodwill ni మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? 1,50,000 కి reduce చేస్తున్నాం. We are reducing goodwill to 1,50,000. Do remember till here? Now continuation. What happened? The plant and machinery, which stood at 1 lakh, were written down to 75,000. First thing we are writing down, we are writing off goodwill. Second thing we are writing off plant and machinery. See students, if you want, you can make a rough work for these things. You can write goodwill, book value 3 lakhs, written off 1,50,000. Next, plant and machinery, book value 1 lakh, were written down to 75. Written down, not okay, written down to 75. That means what is the difference amount? Students, don't confuse, don't write off 75,000. Don't write off 75,000. You have to write off only 25,000. Why? Because 1 lakh is the book value. It is written down to, not written down by. Written down to 75,000. That means 25,000 is the amount. 25,000 is the amount you have to write off. Right? Next, the freehold and leasehold premises, which stood at 1,50,000, were written down to 1,25,000. 1,50,000 is the book value. 1,25,000 is the new value of the freehold and leasehold premises. So how much amount you have to write off? 25,000. Some people they will definitely do this mistake. They will write off straight away 1,25,000, 75. Is it clear? Okay, here I will tell you one thing. Goodwill, whether you write off here, if you write off 150 also no problem. Why? Because goodwill is total 3 lakh. Written down to 150. What is the difference? 150. So you can directly take this 150. But don't do that for this plant and machinery and freehold property. Okay. This amount and this amount is not same. 1 lakh minus 75. 25 you have to write off. 1 lakh 50 minus 1 lakh 25. 25 you have to write off. Is it clear, students? Next. Make journal entries in the books of the company necessitated by the above reconstruction. Simple problem again. Now, you have to prepare the journal entries. So, before solving the answer, problem number 4, just prepare problem number 4. Just prepare one statement. We need 4 columns. How many items we have? 3 items. Okay. What is the first one, student? Goodwill. Book value. Written down value. Write off value. Written down, write off. There is a lot of difference. First, take goodwill. What is the book value? 3 lakhs. Written down to 1 lakh 50. Difference? 1 lakh 50. Okay. If you prepare this statement, it takes hardly half minute or 1 minute. In rough also you can prepare. Okay. So it is easy to you because no confusions. Next, plant and machinery. What is the book value? 1 lakh. What is the written down value? 75,000. So what is the difference amount? 25,000. This amount you have to write off. I'll put this in another color. The advantage of doing problems in digital way is you can add more colors to your problem. Okay, students, next freehold property. Freehold and leasehold. Leasehold property. How much? 1 lakh 50. Written down to 1 lakh 25. So write off how much, students? 25. Is it clear? So total amount you have to write off is 150, 175, 2 lakhs. Yes, total you have to write off 2 lakhs. Now if you want, actually I have not discussed this table for that problem. So if you want, you can now write down this table. If you present this, see, I already told you in the class so many times, practical papers like accountancy, statistics, taxation, these practical papers you have to present in a good manner. Presentation is important, most important for practical problems. This depends on person to person. If you think creatively, if you present your answer which is different from others, then you can fetch more marks. See, best example, if you do this table as working note, If you do this table as working note, while valuing your paper, the valuationer will feel so happy. Why? Because he, he may not expect this type of knowledge from a degree student. If you are really interested in presenting your answer, then you can create your own way of presenting the answer. Is it clear, students? This comes out of practice. We have to involve in the solving of the problem. Is it clear, students? I don't want to waste much time. I know. Yeah. We come to the problem. Journal entries in the books of company. We don't know the company name, so we don't know the date also. Yes, we don't have the date also, right? So first cancel as it is equity share capital. What is the face value? 10 rupees. What is the amount? 5 lakhs. So instead of this, what we are giving, again we are issuing a new equity shares. Here face value is not reducing, students. You have to understand it. Here what did they say? Fully paid equity shares equal to 2/5 of their holding. They are not mentioning the new share value. Okay, 2/5 of their present holding. So 5 lakhs is their present holding into 2 by 5. Okay, how much? 2 lakhs. Important. Next, apart from that, we are giving 5% preference share capital also. What is the calculation? Above new shares. What is the above new shares means? 2 lakhs. On that 1/5, 40,000. This calculation is also very important, students. Next, apart from equity and preference, we are giving 6% second debentures also. For how much? 60,000. Debit 5 lakhs. Credit 3 lakhs. Difference amount 2 lakhs. Capital reduction account. Simple. Now, next entry. Next is what? We have issued 5% first debentures. If we issue first debentures, we will get cash. So cash account debit 50 to 5% first debentures account 50,000. Students, here I am not concentrating on narrations. You people please note down the narration. Simple narration being first 5% first debentures issued for cash. Okay. Next. So what are the things we have to write off? Here we have prepared already the table. These 3 things you have to write off. Apart from these 3 things, nothing is there. So write down capital reduction account debit. So what is the balance we have? Here 2 lakhs. Only 2 lakhs. Capital reduction account we have balance of 2 lakhs. 2 plant and machinery, 2 goodwill, 2 freehold and leasehold premises. 20%. Debit 2 lakhs. Credit 2 lakhs. Simple. So here I have, they didn't say to prepare capital reduction account, but if you prepare the capital reduction account, then you can fetch good marks. Okay, capital reduction account, you can prepare it as a working note. So credit side, buy equity share capital 2 lakhs, 2 plant and machinery, 2 goodwill, 2 freehold and leasehold premises. Is it clear, students? So this is your 4. I think I have discussed this problem in the class. If you want, you can take the snapshot. Problem number 4. Okay, that is important. Now, next we discuss 5th problem. I said you have to do it as homework, but I will explain the problem and you people can do it. Simple. It is simple. Yeah. You try it. I will see if anybody posted it in the group, then it is okay. Otherwise, I will discuss in the next class. Because here, how can I give punishment to you to do? So it is not possible. So that's why if you can do it. Otherwise, I will solve in the next class. Okay. Right. Look at Venkatagirija Company Limited passed necessary resolution and received sanction of the court for the reduction of its share capital by 2,50,000, underline 2,50,000, for the purpose enunciated here under. Students, here what happened? The company name Venkatagirija Company. They have passed necessary resolution for what purpose? To reconstruct. And they have received the sanction of the court also. So share capital by 2,50,000, underline the word, they have reduced share capital by 2,50,000. Now how they will utilize this 2,50,000 rupees? One, for the purpose herein as under. First look at, to write off the credit debit balance of profit and loss account 1,50,000. So first and foremost thing, you have to write off profit and loss account debit balance 1,50,000. Next, to reduce the value of plant and machinery by 40 and goodwill by 20. Straight away you have to reduce 40 and 20. To reduce the value of investments to market value by writing off 40,000. Directly you can take 40, because there, if you have two things, two amounts for the same investments, if you have two amounts, then you have to think which amount you have to write off. But here for one item you have one amount, so you have to directly write off it. So what are the things you have to write off? One, profit and loss account 1,50,000. Two, plant and machinery 40, 1,90,000, plus goodwill 20, 2,10,000, plus investments 40, 2,50,000. How much they reduced capital? 2,50,000. So how much amount you are writing off total? 2,50,000. 1, 2, 3. So is the amount equal? There is any balance? No balance. Amount equal. 2,50,000 they have reduced, and 2,50,000 they are using for write-off purpose. Right? Next, the reduction was made by converting. See, this whole paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4 lines related to how they are reducing the share capital by 2,50,000. These 3, 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines are related to how they are reducing the share capital. This 2,50,000 rupees. Look at, the reduction was made by converting 25,000 preference shares of rupees 20 each. That means 25,000 is number of preference shares, 25,000. Face value 20. Capital is how much? 5 lakhs. New face value is how much? Sorry, new number of shares are how much? Fully paid to the same number of preference shares. Underline the word, same number of preference shares. 25,000. Face value how much? 15. So what is the sacrifice made? 20 minus 15. 5 rupees is the sacrifice made. 25,000 into 5. 1,25,000. Preference shareholders. Next. Fully paid, and by converting 25,000 equity shares of rupees 20 each. Equity shares are how much? 25,000. What is the face value? 20. 15 paid up. This is important, students. Equity shares are 25,000 number of equity shares. Face value 20. Face value 20. But paid up amount is how much? 15. Face value 20, but they paid only 15. That means 5 rupees unpaid. Okay, let it be. Into 25,000, same number of equity shares of rupees 10 each, fully paid up. So same number of equity shares, but what is the face value? 10, and that too fully paid. So here, can you tell me what is the sacrifice made by the equity shareholders? Is it 10 rupees or 5 rupees? 5 rupees. It is not 10. Don't compare this 20 and 10. Compare this 15 and 10. Because even though the face value is 20, they have paid only 15. So you have to compare this 15 and 10. Sacrifice made 5 only. Show journal entries necessary in relation to the reduction of share capital and show how would you deal with the balance of share capital account. Try to understand, don't confuse. Show journal entries necessary in relation to the reduction of share capital. This is one part. Okay, entries for this reconstruction and reduction of share capital. Okay, and show how would you deal with the balance of share capital account. What is the balance of share capital account? 2,50,000 only. What is the balance in share capital? 2,50,000. How you will deal with this 2,50,000? Okay. How? We utilize this 2,50,000 to write off these amounts. Simple. Is it or not? So here again, it's a matter of your creativity. For these 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, you can create, you can draw a table. How it is? Look at. This is problem number 5. Problem number 5. Look at the table. One, two, three. Okay. So here old, new, new. So first write on preference share. Preference share capital. Okay. Now look at. Here you can write number of shares, face value, total. Okay. Now, how many number of preferences we have? 25,000. What is the face value? 20. Total amount? 5 lakhs. Is it clear, students? Now, new amounts. What is the new number of preferences? 25,000 only. And what is the face value? 15. Total amount? How much? 3,75,000. Sacrifice. How much sacrifice made? Okay. How much sacrifice made? 1 lakh. How we have This is considered as A. This is B. That means this column name C. Assume it is B. Assume this is E. Assume this is F. So how we have got this sacrifice? C minus F. Is it or not, students? Again, this is a matter of creativity here. Because anyway, if you get this type of problem in the exam for 12 marks, you can complete it within 10 minutes. But it's a simple problem again. Why don't you grasp the focus of the valuationer by doing this type of tables? See, this is how you need so much of creativity, concentration here. Right? Here one table we are writing the old amounts, and the new one table we are writing the new amounts, and we are getting the sacrifice. Preference share. Now equity share. Equity share. Is it clear, students? So how many number of equity shares we have? 25,000. Face value is 20, but 8. But paid only 15. Paid only is how much? 15. So 25,000 into 15, how much you will get? 3,75,000. If you want, you can write down in the brackets here 25,000 into 15. Simple, students. If you pay the total amount to 20 rupees, then 25,000 into 20 multiply with 5 lakhs. But here 25,000 number of shares, 25,000 number of shares, okay, but they have not paid, right? Okay, 20 is the face value, but paid only 15. Okay, so now new number of shares are how much? Same equal number of shares. What is the new face value? 10 only. So total amount is how much? 2 lakhs. Is it clear? Difference. C minus F. C how much? 3,75,000. F how much? 2 lakhs. Like 25,000. Is it clear? So total 2,50,000 we have. So total 2,50,000. Is it clear, students? Yes. Problem number 5. If you want, you can draw this table, and by utilizing this table you can write it. I have answer, but I don't want to disclose it now. So I will check who will do this problem number 5 and post it into the group. After reopening of the college, I will give you one chocolate. Now it is not possible to give the chocolate, so I will give surely after reopening of the college. I'll remember. I'll take the snapshot of your answer, then I will present the chocolate. Is it clear, students? So hope you understand the concept of internal reconstruction. Very simple, students. This internal reconstruction, 4th semester corporate accounting is easy compared to 3rd semester advanced accounting, because in 3rd semester advanced accounting we have lot of concepts, but in corporate accounting we have individual units, direct units. We don't have any sub units, so it is easy, provided we have to practice. Without practice nothing is easy, with practice everything is easy. Hope you understand it well, and hope all you people are staying in your homes. Please don't come out. When it is emergency then only come out, otherwise please stay in the home only. Practice, and this is the time where you can cope up your skills, and this is the time where you can develop your knowledge, learn new technology which is in your field, and try to gain the knowledge. Apart from this subject knowledge, we have to gain the general knowledge also. Is it clear, students? So stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.